So as far as you're subscribed to this channel and you turn on the notification bell, you can always get every day's daily cipher right on your mobile phone. All right, let's start with today's daily cipher code. So I click on the daily cipher icon at the top here. Then we begin to unlock the daily cipher for today. The first letter is P, which is short, long, long, short. So short, long, sorry, let me take that again. Short, long, long, short. So that is letter P. The next letter is O, which is long, 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 long. Oh, that's a mistake. So we take it again. We have short, long, long, short. Then we have long, long, long for O, and we take that again. Long, long, long for O. Then the last letter is L, which forms pool. So we have short, long, short, short. So that is that. So you can see we just cracked the 1 million code for Hamster Kombat. So when you have error like this, that is just due to network. Don't worry, just hold on, it will actually get collected. So you can see that has been added to our bonus. So join me every day on this YouTube channel to unlock daily combo, daily cipher for Hamster Kombat, for Gleam, for gems, for Pixel Tab and Pixelvax. So if you are yet to subscribe to these airdrops, you can find the link in the video description below to join them. All right, thank you. See you tomorrow again.